Welcome to Xiamen MingHan Electric official YouTube channel. Today, we'll introduce one of the finest, innovative, and reliable product, called KRD Smart Capacitor. Capacitors are always used for improvement of low power factor, produced due to non-linear loads in industry. Generally, capacitors are connected with other different components like breakers, contactor, fuses, switches, relays and indication lights in order to operate successfully. That costs higher amount of money, energy, and time resources. It also makes the system complex. Thanks to R&D department of Xiamen MingHan Electric, a compact and smart capacitor has been introduced which can act as a PFI panel directly, eliminating the requirement of all other components. It is called KRD Smart Capacitor. In this video, we'll look at its construction, features, and working principle step by step. KRD Smart Capacitor is new generation of low voltage power compensation devices. It is composed of different components. Miniature circuit breaker, which protects capacitor from overvoltage, short circuit, and overcurrent. Dry type capacitor. Harmonic reactor. An LCD display for parameters settings. Temperature sensor. Discharge resistor. Special switching module. And intelligent control unit. Intelligent control unit is the brain of this capacitor and has multiple roles. Intelligent control unit collects signals coming from different sensors, processes it, calculates the accurate capacity of capacitor and switches on/off the capacitor through special switching module. This special switching module unit ensures zero-point switching. Thus, power and harmonic compensation is carried out in such a way. Now let's look at zero-point switching and how it is carried out. Zero-point switching. KRD Smart Capacitor has a built-in switching module. The switching module is composed of a thyristor, a magnetic latching relay, a zero-crossing trigger conduction circuit, and protection circuit to realize the zero-point switching of the capacitor. Zero point is the point where amplitude line intersects time line in AC sine curve. At this point, voltage and current has zero value. Switching at this point ensures that there is no impact of inrush current and no operating over voltage during the switching process. Built-in temperature sensor. Temperature sensor is built in the capacitor to reflect the internal heat degree of the capacitor under condition of overvoltage, over harmonics, excessive leakage current and excessive ambient temperature, so as to realize over temperature protection. High quality power capacitor. The low voltage power capacitor in the product is self-healing, resin-filled, parallel compensation dry type capacitor. It has key characteristics of fire retardant, overall explosion proof, no leakage, low temperature rise and long service life due to quality material used. Series reactor. As we mentioned earlier, harmonics reactor are added in second version of smart capacitors for harmonics filtration. This reactor is dry type, iron core reactor with reactance rate of 7% and 14%. It has the characteristics of low loss, low noise, high inrush current suppression and highly anti-harmonics. The insulation level is H. Modular structure. The smart capacitor has a modular structure, small size, simple field wiring, and convenient maintenance. Its compact size occupies very less space. Only need to increase the number of modules to realize the expansion of the reactive power compensation system. Perfect protection design. KRD smart capacitors have protections for power failure, short circuit, undervoltage, over voltage and capacitor over temperature protection, which effectively guarantee the safety of capacitors and extend the life of equipment. Friendly man-machine interface. Each KRD capacitor has an LCD display for displaying current, voltage, reactive power and other equipment operating parameters. In addition, it displays switching status, composite switch module fault status, and communication status. And it is convenient to realize debugging or working state switching, manual or automatic operation functions. Online communication. It supports online communication through RS-485. High reliability. It can achieve 1 million times switching. Certifications. KRD Smart Capacitors has been type tested at standard third-party lab and has passed type tests against GB 15576 standard. This was all about KRD Smart Capacitors. In our next video, we'll demonstrate smart PFI panels. Please join us in next video.